Belmont River District home in Aberfoyle sits just a few minutes walk from Lake Wylie, Loftin Park, marina with paddleboard, kayak, and boat rentals. Just over a mile from downtown Belmont, which boasts tons of restaurants, breweries, and shopping. Open floor plan has hardwoods and kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and large island with bar stools. Private fenced-in patio leads to detached garage, which also has a driveway to fit a full-size truck. Both bedrooms upstairs and primary bedroom has dual vanity sink and gorgeous tiled walk-in shower.